Good morning everyone, especially to Mr. Noel. We are the Group 9 and we will discuss our topic, work safety with chemicals and other hazardous materials.
Some chemicals are harmless, but when combined with another compound, may produce a reaction that may be combustible or release toxic fumes. For example, two cleaning agents like ammonia and bleach, when mixed, will produce toxic chlorine gas. Ang pagsasama ng chemical tulad ng ammonia at bleach ay maaaring magdulot ng reaksyon na nagbubunga ng nakakalasang chlorine gas. Mahalaga na iwasan ang gayong pagkakasama ng chemical upang maiwasan ang masamang epekto nito. Some chemicals may be triggered by heat or radiation. There are some oven cleaners that can produce a toxic gas when heated. May mga pampalinis ng oven na naglalaman ng chemical. Kapag iniinit, ay nag-undergo ng reaksyon na naglalabas ng nakakalasang usok na nagbibigay diin sa kahalagahan ng pag-iingat at tamang ventilasyon sa panahon ng paggamit. Make sure that all chemicals are stored in their original containers with a clear label. Sabi dito na siguraduhin nakalagay ang mga chemical sa kanilang original na lalagyan na may malinaw na label para sa kaligtasan. Make sure that all chemical containers have labels that identify the chemical products, even water. Ilagay ang label sa lahat ng lalagyan ng chemical kasama ang tubig para sa kaligtasan at madaling pag-identify, tsak na pag-handle at agarang pagtugon sa emergency. Next. Never store chemicals in unlabeled or empty food containers. Huwag kalimutan ang wastong pag-label at pag-iingat sa pag-imbak ng mga chemical ay mahalaga para sa kaligtasan. Upang maiwasan ang aksidente o kalituhan, laging gamitin ang tamang lalagyan at lagyan ito ng malinaw na label na may tama at kumpletong impormasyon. Do not store aerosol containers near at a hot surface. The residual contents are highly flammable. Ayon dito ay huwag itabi ang aerosol malapit sa mainit na paligid. Ang natirang laman nito ay sobrang madaling mabukas. Do not use chemicals that are not intended for use. Huwag gamitin ang mga chemical na hindi tinatangi para sa tiyak na layunin. Upang maiwasan ang panganib, siguraduhin ligtas at epektibo at maiwasan ang di inaasahang mga epekto o reaksyon. Be aware of the hazard of cleaning chemicals before using them. Bago gamitin ang chemical sa paglinis, alamin ang panganib nito, basahin ang mga label, sundin ang tagubilin at gumamit ng proteksyon para iwasan ang sakit sa balat o paghinga. Always use protective clothing and equipment when working with chemicals. Example are safety glasses and goggles and rubber gloves. Mahalaga ang pagsuot ng mga protective gear tulad ng mga safety goggles at rubber gloves sa pagtatrabaho sa chemical. Ito ay upang mapanatili ang kaligtasan laban sa mga pinsala at chemical na maaaring makasama sa balat at mata. Next. Corrosive and flammable chemicals should be used only in well-ventilated areas. Never use them in a confined space. Gamitin ang mga corrosive at flammable na chemical lamang sa maayos na ventiladong lugar. Huwag gamitin sa masikip na espasyo para sa kaligtasan. Minimize exposure to chemicals by preventing splashing. Iwasan ng chemical na sumabog para hindi makaapekto sa iyo. Last, use lower shelves to store chemicals to avoid the risk of spills. Paglalagay ng chemical sa mababang estante ay nagbabawas ang peligro ng talsik dahil mas madali itong hawakan. At mas maba ang chance ang magkaroon ng aksidente kapag kinukuha. Yun lang.
Robberies and assault safety. The cash register should be visible from the dining area. When the cash register is visible, employees are more likely to follow proper cash handling procedures, knowing that their actions are easily observable. Provide information that the cash register only contains a small amount of the cash by posting a sign. To convey that the cash register only contains a small amount of cash, you can create a sign with a clear and concise message. Store a larger amount of cash immediately in a drop safe, limited access to a secure or comparable type of safe. If you want to communicate to the staff that a larger amount of cash should be stored immediately in a drop safe with limited access, you can create a clear and directive message. Ensure that alarms are installed and working on all doors. For the safety of our establishment, please be advised that alarms are installed on all doors. Provide surveillance camera and or mirrors on or a silent alarm. Surveillance camera. This area is monitored by surveillance cameras to ensure a secure environment. Mirrors. Mirrors have been strategically placed to enhance visibility and promote a safer atmosphere. Do not count cash in front of customers. For security and privacy reasons, we kindly request our staff not to count cash in front of customers. Establish a policy and train employee on how to respond in cases of robbery or assault. Post the police number in visible area and next to the phone. In case of emergency, police assistance is just a call away. Install good lighting in the workplace parking lots and alley where employees or customers pass through the night. Post a reminder on the back exit to remind employees about safety. Have more than one exit that worker can reach in case of an emergency. Perform and maintain a process for documenting and reporting violent incident and violence act. Maintain a modest uniform for servers. Post legislation and policies against assault, stalking, and violent acts. Use a buddy system when walking to public transportation, parking areas, and taking the trash out at night. Ensure that back doors have locks and that employees will still be able to exit easily. Keep background noise down so people will be aware of any problems. Lahat ng aking binasa at sinabi ay sobrang importante dahil makakatulong sa mga empleyado at customer ng mga ito para masiguridad ang kaligtasan ng lahat.
Let's proceed to personal protective equipment. Personal protective equipment. In addition to raising awareness and taking preventive measures about the hazards in the workplace, an employee must use the appropriate protective clothing and equipment. Personal protective equipment, are also known as PPE, is designated to be worn in the workplace to protect workers from the risk of injury or illness. Yung PPE, ito yung mga equipment na sinusuot sa workplace natin at pang-protection sa ating katawan para makaiwas sa disgrasya. Personal protective equipment includes the following. For eyes, example, safety spectacles, goggles, face screen, face shields, visors are used to protect the eyes from gas, vapor, dust, chemical splashes, metal splashes, and radiation. Check that the eye protection meets the legal requirements, fits properly and comfortably, does not interfere with the user's movements, is durable, easy to clean, and can be disinfected. Pinaprotektahan nila yung mga mata natin sa mga bagay na maaaring makasira sa ating mga mata. For head and neck, hard hats, safety helmets, hairnets, and bumo caps protect the head from falling and flying objects, tangled hair in machinery, the risk of collapsing, and chemical splashes or drips. Hard hats should not weigh more than 45 kilograms, 16 ounces, and should be made of non-combustible materials that do not conduct electricity, with a brim around the edges to protect the head, neck, face, and back. Ito yung mga hard hats, pinoprotektahan nila yung mga ulo natin para kapag may bumagsak na matigas na bagay ay hindi matatamaan yung mismong ulanan natin at para makaiwas na din tayo sa disgrasya o aksidente. Ears. To protect the ears from high-level noise, use earplugs, ear muffs, and semi-insert or canal caps. Choose ear protection to reduce noise to an acceptable level to allow constant communication and safety. Hands and arms. For example, uniform with an appropriate length of sleeves, gloves with cuffs. This protects the body against burns, cuts, punctures, abrasion, electric shock, vibration, and biological agents. Feet and legs. Safety boots, non-slip soles, closed-toe, closed-back shoes, high leather tops, shoes with protective cups. These are to protect the feet and legs against wet, hot, and cold conditions, slipping, cuts, punctures, falling objects, metal, chemical splash, and electrostatic buildup. Appropriate footwear must be chosen for the risk identified as well as its intended use. Dapat ugaliin nating magsuot ng mga sapatos na hindi madulas para makaiwas tayo sa disgrasya. Lungs. Simple filtering face pieces such as a half or full mask. Respirators are power-assisted respirators, fresh air hoses, self-contained breathing apparatus, protection against dust, gases, vapors, smoke, and an oxygen-deficient environment. Sa lungs, for example, yung face mask, importante na magsuot tayo nito para maiwasan nating maamoy o malanghap yung mga di dapat nating malanghap dahil maaari itong mapunta sa mga delikadong sakit tulad ng TB. Whole body, example, aprons, overalls, chef jackets, boiler suits, and chemical suits to protect the body against excessive heat, burns, chemical and metal splashes, and contaminated dust materials. Use should be flame retardant, anti-static, impermeable to chemicals, and highly visible. Sa mga workplace, lahat tayo may kanya-kanya mga uniform. For example sa atin yung chef's uniform. Dapat isuot natin yun dahil ayun na nagsisilbing pang-protection sa atin para makaiwas sa disgrasya gaya ng matalsikan ng mantika o madumihan.
Security issues in the workplace. Absence of a modern physical access control system. Lack of proper monitoring among the staff and visitors. Insufficient budget to implement an advanced security system. Absence of appropriate workplace security policy. Too much exposure to social media. Regular changing of the password and keys. Maintenance of the access control and surveillance system. Lack of awareness of workplace security and procedures. Allowing visitors to unattended in the workplace. Advantage of having a workplace security plan. 1. Reduced turnover rate. 2. Higher standard in the workplace. 3. Fewer insurance claims. 4. Better chance to retaining the customers and guests. 5. Reduce business costs and disturbance.
And that would be all. Thank you for listening.